Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike. Today's build, I have an easy one for you. I have an easy build. I have an easy money maker. What am I talking about? It's called the One Trip Grocery Bag Carrier. I found it on Etsy. They are selling one for $25. Now, the ones they're selling are made out of hardwood. All I have right now is pine, and this looks rough. It's not painted, but I wanted to hurry up and make this video and show you guys how easy this is. An easy $25 to $30 for one. You can do a set, $35, $40 for two, whatever. But anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, because after the video I'm going to show you how it works. All right, it was that easy. It was that simple. Let me show you how it works. One grocery bag. Two grocery bags. The One Trip Grocery Bag Carrier. That easy, that simple, quick money. I enjoyed this build. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you can take this design and make it yours. Perfect it. Make it better. I'm just showing you ideas. Anyway, if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And until my next video, you guys keep building.